What's on my mind? What's on my mind? What's on my mind?
Ano nandito?
I'm scared. What's on my mind? What's on my mind?
Wala naman snake dito eh.
There's not.
Na
I'm gonna
New Zealand has
I'm
no
gonna
snake.
scream if I see one.
Oh, that's emu. Emu bro.
Mommy, we're gonna see parrots now. Somewhere. Parrots is right there. There's a baby duck.
Ay, ang liliit.
Yeah, because they're baby
Nanganak.
ducks, Mom. Mommy, I see a capybara. Hurry up. Come on.
Ano yan? Ano yung nandyan? Kakatsu. Ang laki niya. Oh. Ang kain. Try this one. They're eating. No. Ang laki. Meron. Ba't ayaw? Ayan o, ayan o. Oh, yeah. Ayan. Ay. No, you close it. Oh, yeah. She's scared. Ganda ng kulay niya, no? Ayun, no? Pagkain nila, ano? Orange. Ano siya? Ano yan? Parot? Hindi, ah. Itim naman. Sabi sa'yo niya.
I'm gone.
Pangit. Sabi
I'm
niya.
gone.
Hoy! Baka, no? Ito maganda rin, no? Oh, tingnan mo yung ano niya. Hoy! Tumatawag siya. Nangingi ng pagkain. Ito maganda kulay eh. Look. Ganda ng kulay niya.
This is the baby one. This is the baby one.
Oh, tara. Labas na tayo. Ayun yata yung ano nila eh. Pugad.
It's a sweet. Oh, Mommy.
Oh.
Pigeon. Is that a pigeon?
I don't know.
Oh, cool.
Ayan, me.
Mommy, I swear, I caught a wallaby jumping around.
Nasaan? Ayun. Oo nga.
I saw them jumping. I caught it in camera.
Pwede ba pwede naman sila din, no? Ng pagkain?
Mom, I caught them jumping around.
Okay.
I thought they were kangaroos. Because they look like kangaroos, but tiny version. Look at them.
Wallaby.
It's a wallaby.
Yeah, wallaby. The wallaby.
So, there's a couple. There's monkeys. Mommy, there's monkeys. Or the monkeys. I'll see a monkey.
O yun, ano yun? Yun. Wallaby din yun? Malaking wallaby?
Mom, we're gonna see these type of monkeys. Where is it? The capuchin monkeys. Yeah. So we're
Please
gonna
do not let wallabies through the gate.